How many times have you seen a green eye and red lip makeup look during Christmas and you have thought, oh my god, I cannot recreate that. I would look hideous in it. Well, what if I tell you that today I will show you a look that you can actually create not only for Christmas but for any other occasion you may like. So today we are going to do a green smoky eye and a very subtle red lip, and you're gonna love it. So hi you guys, welcome to Femica and get ready for this tutorial. But before we get started, please subscribe and comment down below, and by doing so you will stand a chance to win a free gift hamper from Femica. Having said that, let's get started. I'm going to start off with a moisturizer. You can choose any moisturizer that works for you. Nice and glowing. Next I'm going to use a primer, and here I'm taking a silicone based primer. I like to cover my pores with them, of course around the nose, but I also like to take it under my eye to give it a blurring effect. Time for some foundation, and I will blend it with a beauty blender. After foundation comes concealer, so I'm just gonna get it in the usual spots. And it's time to blend. After I'm done with the concealer, I'm going to use a dry puff and some loose powder, and I'm going to use it under my eyes and all over my face. And this process will make the makeup last so much longer. Time for my face to have some shape, so I'm just going to use a little bit of bronzer. Of course, a beautiful blush. Blush will just bring the life back to your face. For the eyes, I'm first going to start off with a crease shade that is brown like this, and I'm just going to build up my crease with it. Then for the eyes, I'm going to use a pencil that is exactly the color of my top. It's like a moss green with some golden flecks. So I'm just going to apply it like this. Then I'm going to use my fingers to blend it because that's the easiest way to do it. How pretty is the shade? And I'm going to do the same on this side. For the lower lash line, I'm going to do the same and take the same shade and again use my fingers to blend. You can smoke out as much as you want or as less as you want. Then I'm going to take a little bit of a glitter shade. It's not a glitter, it's a metallic shade, but it's the same one on my eye, and I'm just going to top it off to make it a little more festive. You see the difference? I think this looks called for an eyeliner. I am going in with my eyeliner. I need to stop talking or I'll mess it up. It's just a small little eyeliner like this. So now that the face is done, I am just gonna use a lip liner to line my lips. For the lip color, I am taking a color like this, which is a pinkish red. It matches my backdrop, and I'm just gonna apply it in the center of my lips. This technique does two things. First, it makes the lips look really natural, and second, it gives a very pouty look. I'll finish the lip off with a very nice glossy lip gloss. So this is the finished look. I think this is pretty festive and Christmassy, and if you like all these colors, you can recreate this look. So here we come to an end of the video. We hope you liked it. For clean, safe and natural beauty products, you can always shop at Femica. Do check out all the products that are going to be mentioned in the description box below. Join the community and welcome yourself to the world of clean, safe, organic beauty and wellness by connecting with us with the social media platforms, the links to which are either on your screen somewhere or definitely mentioned in the description box. Femica wishes you a Merry Christmas. Hope you all have a great ending to 2022 and also have a great 2023. Signing off with lots of love until I see you next time.
So guys, here's the end. Hope you liked the video. Visit femica.com now. Check out all clean and safe products and dive into the world of clean beauty. Thanks for watching the video.